SMCI stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Which is from the video till the end to find out. I am the only guy that has actually done this for 5 years straight, documented everything with 41,000 videos. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not, and it's more so there is a track record to back my claim up. Unironically, it's just like a long highway for me. Like, I'm definitely looking to buy more. So previously I got 2 trades. One was a win, one was a very loss. And that's fine, because technically, even from those 2 trades, I'm still positive, meaning I made money. But ultimately, this is when the win was called out 3 weeks ago. And then going into the next week, the biggest factor that I would like and prefer to see is the confirmation here, meaning a Wyckoff accumulation. And if I don't see this thing taking place and actually happening, then I'm not going to buy. And I know people like to overcomplicate it and try and force movements. But look, the more I've been in the game, like for right now 5 years, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And I have all these receipts in the Discord as well. So if you want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.